Hi, anything I can help you with today?
Hi, I need to get a house key made. Can you help me make this key?
Yeah, let me take a look. It looks like one of our standard house keys, so it shouldn't be any problem.
Okay.
Yeah, it's one of our standard house keys. Would you like a digital copy of your key today?
A digital copy of my key. What's a digital copy of a key?
It's called KeyHero. KeyHero is a free service we provide that will take a digital copy of your key and store it on a secure cloud. So if you ever lose your key, you can go into any participating Home Depot and have your key duplicated. One of the great features of the application is you can even share keys with a friend, family member, or anyone you like.
That sounds interesting. How does it work?
Oh, all you need is a smartphone, either Apple or Android.
Okay, great. I have an iPhone. What are the next steps?
Okay, here's what you're going to do. Ask the customer if they would like a digital backup of their key. Press yes to proceed if they say yes. Enter the customer's email address, or you can enter their phone number. Now you're going to name the customer's key. You can select home front door, home side door, or you can just select custom and name it whatever the customer desires. Press continue to create the digital backup. KeyHero just sent the customer notification about the new digital key. As soon as the customer downloads the app and creates their account, the key will be available for their use. The digital backup can be used at KeyHero key machines available at any Home Depot to create duplicates when needed. Let the customers know within a few minutes they will receive a notification in their email or a message on their cell phone to download the KeyHero application. They will follow the link to download the app and create an account. Finally, they will get an email to verify their account. Your digital keys will then be waiting in the app and ready for you to use. The digital backup can be used at KeyHero key machines to create duplicates whenever needed. There is even a store locator in the app to help you find your closest Home Depot with KeyHero. If a customer asks what kind of information they need to create an account, the setup is that simple. We never ask you for your address, and we obviously don't need a credit card number since it's all free.
Is it safe?
It's completely safe. It's all stored in the cloud, and it's all military-grade encrypted.
Oh, great. And can I do all my keys?
You can do all your home and office keys. Right now you can do just the blade portion of a car key, but not the head part that needs to be programmed.
So you mentioned I could share keys. How does that work?
Sharing a digital key is quick and easy with KeyHero. Open the KeyHero app. Select the key you want to share. Tap Share Key. Enter the email address or phone number of the recipient. Press Share My Key. Your digital key has been shared. Retrieving a digital key is simple. Follow the link and sign into KeyHero. The recipient can now create a duplicate key at any KeyHero authorized machine. KeyHero notifies the owner whenever a shared key is cut. KeyHero, always there to save the day.
Where are my keys? Hi, can you help me?
Of course, what can I do for you?
I lost my house key, but I have the KeyHero app.
Oh my gosh, good thing. You would have been in a lot of trouble if you didn't.
Well, I'm in a lot of hurry. Will this take longer than usual because I'm using the KeyHero app?
Not at all. It's going to take the same amount of time. It sends instantaneously.
Okay, great.
Let me walk you through it. Cutting from a digital backup is easy. Ensure the customer has the KeyHero app on their phone. You're going to touch the screen on the key crafter to get started. Enter your store number. On the bottom left of the screen, you're going to hit the KeyHero digital key. The key crafter is going to produce a one-time PIN number to pair the phone to the key crafter. Have the customer open the app. They're going to select the key they need to cut and tap Cut Key. Then they'll press Continue. Finally, they're going to enter the PIN that's displayed on the key crafter into the app. They'll say Next, Cut Key once again, and they're going to end it by saying OK. You're going to see the key that they want to cut pop up on the machine. From there, press Continue, and you're going to cut the key just like you would in any other circumstance. Assist the customer in selecting the key that they want, and you're good to go. And here is your new key.
Thank you. KeyHero seriously just saved my day. I'm so happy I had KeyHero. You know, my sister always loses her keys and she lives across the country. Where can I send her to find out more information?
She can start by checking out our website at mykeyhero.com to help answer any questions and use the store locator to find her closest KeyHero Home Depot store. She can even go ahead and download the app. It's available free in both Google Play and the Apple App Store. Or you can send her into any Home Depot and we can get her started just like we did for you.